a terrible idea. Your fault for the shiny pants. At least I'm not slipping everywhere. Shut up!